How we keep you safe in your home. Keeping you and your loved ones safe is our #1 priority. This video explains how we make sure that the electrics in your home are safe. Every 5 years, or at a change of occupancy, we check the safety of the electrics in your home. This check is called an Electrical Installation Condition Report, or an EICR for short. We will carry out a metered test on the cables and accessories in your home. This includes all the cables leading from the consumer unit, fuse box to the lights, sockets, shower, cooker, and any other circuits present. We do not test electrical appliances such as TVs, kettles, or toasters. Your EICR check will usually take up to 2 hours. It may take longer if we find any faults. You must be at home to allow access and remain there while we complete your check. We will need access to every room in your property. This is because we will need to check all the sockets, switches, and lights. The check is important as it helps to keep you and the other people who live in your home safe. It reduces the risk of life-threatening electric shocks and electrical fires. Arranging your check. When your 5-yearly EICR check is due, we will phone you to arrange a convenient date and time. You will also receive a letter confirming these details. Please let us know if you or any occupants have medical equipment that can't be switched off, or if you have any long-term illness so we can minimize any disruption. If we aren't able to contact you by phone, we will write to you with an appointment. You can call us to rearrange if it is not convenient. On the day of your check, we will visually check for broken accessories, charring or burning signs, unsafe DIY installations, or issues with your electricity supplier's equipment. If everything looks okay, we will isolate your fuse box so that we can start the test. The first thing we do is look in the fuse box and take an earth measurement reading to ensure that the earth coming into your home is good. Earthing helps to reduce the duration of an electric shock by providing a path for a faulty current to flow and disconnect the circuit. We will then check the protective bonding in your home. Protective bonding reduces the risk of life-threatening electric shocks and electrical fires in your home by ensuring the same voltage level across all metalwork during a fault. As part of this check, we will test the bonding to your home's water, gas, or oil and ensure everything is in order. We will then make sure that the earth is going to all the lights, sockets, and switches throughout the property. Next, we will check your sockets. In some homes, the sockets run in a ring around your home. They come out of the fuse box, go around all the sockets, and return to the fuse box. We will test the ring circuit in your home to check that it is not broken somewhere, as this can be dangerous. We will then check the insulation on the cables throughout your home. This is to make sure that none of them have deteriorated and that all the cables are safe and compliant with standards. This check is called the insulation resistance test. Once we have completed the checks with the power switched off, we will test your home with the power switched back on. These tests confirm the readings taken during the dead testing. The first test confirms the total earth fault path during a fault and confirms polarity at socket outlets. In your fuse box, there is a safety device which can help prevent fatal electric shock if you touch something live, such as a faulty appliance or damaged cable, by switching the circuit off very quickly. This safety device is called an RCD or RCBO. It can also provide some protection against electrical fires. We will test your device to see if it is working correctly. If requested, the engineer will explain how to carry out 6 monthly checks of these devices. Finally, we will carry out functional tests on all switch sockets to make sure everything is safe, to ensure that everything works, that everything is reconnected and is safe for use. If we have found any issues with the electrics in your home, we will let you know at your check. We will arrange a convenient date for you for any required repairs. If we find something unsafe that needs urgent action, we will repair it if possible or disconnect it and make it safe. We will make the necessary repairs as soon as possible. If the issue is with the metering, we will speak to your provider or the distributor on your behalf where possible. There should be no mess on the majority of electrical inspections. However, sometimes, where some repair work may be necessary, we will keep the mess to a minimum and clean it up once the work is completed. If you have any questions about the electrics in your home or general home safety, please speak to us. Do you need this information in another format or language? Please let us know. Visit www.progressgroup.org.uk/access.